Hey! So if you saw my last video, the secret wood pencil pot, you saw that my first attempt at making the blank was a bit of a failure. It floated up in the cup and screwed up. So I took that and I filled it the rest of the way up and made this humongous blank with the pencils inside of it. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into a sphere. A big sphere. About a 3.5-inch sphere. So let's check that out. Hey, check this thing out. So I made a sphere out of failure. So the secret wood pencil pot video, I tried to cast a sphere in a container, and my little bundle of pencils, I didn't glue it down. When I poured the resin, put it in the pressure pot, it floated up and got a little crooked. So that was a failure, and I could have just given up and thrown that away. But this resin's not cheap, and I didn't want to throw it away. I wanted to find something to do with it. So I filled it up the rest of the way, covered the pencils, put it back in the pressure pot, and got this big block. Turned that big block into this sphere. So it's got all kinds of, little interesting ways to look at it. I don't even know which way to display it. So on this side, it's got the pencils. If you look here, it's got that secret wood look to it. It's hard to get on camera, but when you get the light to hit it just right, it looks awesome. I love this thing. The little base is made out of a piece of red heart that I had left over, a little scrap. Thank you for watching. Next time you make a mistake, don't throw it out. Make something out of it. That's why I'm wearing my reclaimed audio shirt. By reclaiming your failures. So thanks for watching. Check out my website, joepiercemaker.com. This might be on there for sale. Some of my other items are for sale over at joepiercemaker.com. If you like what I do, you can buy something there. You can support me on Patreon, patreon.com/JoePierce. I do have an Etsy store, a couple items over there. Twin Oaks Woodcraft is the name on Etsy. So check that out. It is tax time and I got to pay the government. So help me out and buy some stuff.